Hi everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Happy Monday to everyone. So yesterday I pulled out the camera and took videos of all the meals that we had on yesterday, Sunday the 23rd of April. So join me for a Sunday in the life in our kitchen. Hope you enjoy. And on this Sunday morning we had poached eggs with rashers and fried tomatoes on toast drizzled with my delicious salad dressing, and it was absolutely fabulous. So we had got up in plenty of time to make sure that we were finished eating an hour before receiving Holy Communion at Mass yesterday. We try and fast for the hour before Mass starts, but in canon law it says that they provide that one must abstain for 1 hour from all food and drink with the exception of water or medicine prior to receiving the Eucharist. So in times gone by before Vatican II, you had to fast from the evening before, from midnight on the day that you're going to receive. So it's a little bit more relaxed now, and we fast for an hour before Mass. But strictly you need to fast for an hour before receiving Holy Communion. So I'll just stop talking now and you can watch and relax while I prepare breakfast. Yep. After Mass we had a delicious prawn cocktail. We had got the prawns, 3 packs of the prawns, and they were less than half price because they had, I think it was today's date on them. So they were perfect for eating, and the vine tomatoes were tomorrow's date, but they were still on offer too. So it was great to get them, and it was delicious, and it was a little bit sunny outside, so we had our prawn cocktail outside in the sun, which was lovely. Coffee break for the adults, and it was out in the garden again. For dinner we decided to have something different, and we had a recipe called crispy baked chicken thighs, and we had drumsticks as well. And we also made wedges. We decided when the oven was going to be on to why not make best use of it. So we had the oven full, and we did enough chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks for 2 days. So no cooking meat for me today, and I'm just going to put on some chips to have with them today. So Daniel is here helping me. He's scrubbing the spuds, and he wanted to learn how to cut potatoes into wedges. So thank you, Daniel, for all your help. Daniel, you did a great job chopping up those wedges. Now it's time to dress the wedges. So we have some garlic flakes, some smoked paprika, And I think there was 2 tablespoons of olive oil gone in here as well. And I will attach the recipe for this and for the chicken in the description box. And now here is oregano going in, a teaspoon of oregano. And salt and pepper. And then we just mixed the whole thing up together and popped them in the oven. And then it's time to prepare the chicken. So as I said, I will have the recipe for this chicken in the description box. It would be easier for you to have a quick look there to see exactly what we did, because otherwise I'll be here all day trying to explain what I put on each of the different plates. But it was fairly simple, straightforward. The kids helped out as well, and they turned out really absolutely delicious. One little mistake we might have made was we turned the chicken halfway through. Next time I think I would just leave it alone, because you know the way when we turned it, the coating kind of came a little bit off the chicken. So the next time we do these, which we will definitely do again, we won't bother turning them. We'll just leave them as they are in the oven. Maybe give them a bit of a shake or something. These chicken portions that we get, they are, as you can see there in the corner, 2 packs for €5. So we had 2 packs of drumsticks and 2 packs of chicken thighs, and that is more than generous for our 2 days dinners. So then that was a tenner's worth of meat, which I think is very reasonable. So that's it. That was Sunday the 23rd of April in our kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me. I would really appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. And if you're watching and you haven't been here before, you're very welcome, and you're so welcome to subscribe. And thank you so much to all my returning subscribers as well. I really appreciate you watching my videos. I will talk to you all again soon. God bless. Bye.